you can see, much packages, a lot of packages, so big unboxing, big. Let's hope all this stuff is airsoft, and looks like it will be all else airsoft. Yes, okay. So let's check it out, what is all inside. So let's first start with this small package. So what's here? What is here? I have no idea. So let's open it up. Oh yeah. So okay, so this is light mode for your gun. As you can see, here you put your gun, gun barrel, and here you put your light. Let's see how it looks like. I will then put it all on my AKM, so you can see what it is. So really nice metal, really nice. Goes also this too, so this is great. This cost around, I think, €5. Yes, so this is good. Second, here we have the battery, to see if there is, yeah, so they put nothing. And I want to check this. I don't need to see this, just for me. Oh, those fuckers. Yeah. They always count the big higher price. The customs were calling me because they found on eBay that this is sold also for 25 USD shipping, but I bought it without shipping, so you can see those fuckers count me the whole price. So sorry for swearing, because I'm angry about customs. So what we have here? $5, $5 coupon, yeah. And there is code somewhere, and you saw it, but doesn't matter because they put it on our batteries. So maybe I will buy also another battery. What is here? So here's the smart changer for my battery. 10 energy. I need yeah, I forgot to buy the converter, but I think I have the one converter somewhere. So you can see 8.6, wait, 9.6 volts, 0.6 amperes. Really good. Small Tamiya connector. And second is battery. What's this? Nothing. Second is the battery. So 1600 milliamps and 10 energy. This brand is really has got good name in airsoft. Really good. 10C discharge, so it should be really good. Okay, so we got the battery and charger. What's next here? I got a lot of mess in this packaging. Oh, so this is not airsoft. This is space bag. Okay, let's go for a bigger package. You can see all this was stirred up by customs, and there were, oh my fucking god, what is this? So oops. Compliments. Thank you for first skate, blah blah blah. Yeah, I turned out that didn't want it to. Doing more business with you. Ide Army Code. Okay. glue is really good. I was wondering how they will pack it up, as Customs doesn't usually care about the packages. So this is product code, nothing more. So yeah, this is ultra fast and bolt. You can already see from the name, this is Mitch 2002 helmet. Here you can see it on the driver. This is black color for my black suit. So I will be soon complete. Okay. Wow, this is heavy. So let's open, see how it looks. Wow. Nice padding. This will be really good. Got some for my light, a night vision, another compartment here. I put the stickers there. This is plastic, made in China. So really nice helmet, heavy. Okay, smells also fantastic. Nothing there, so I will just put the small stuff inside. Okay, so what's the second last package, big one? So I'm gonna just give the Customs papers off so you don't see it. So this was bought from airsoftclub.com. So that's some notes here. Yeah, okay. Now this will be interesting. So first we have got the rotation pack for my backpack. So this is for 0.25 liters. So I get my water there. I want to smell how the inside smell. Not bad. Not some chemical smell. So got this covered. Second, this is the for it. The this is packet. You just make a bite to it, and the water will come out. You can suck it. Then very nice. Next is expandable BB storage. So show you how it looks like. Come on. Okay, so you can expand it like this. Yes. You can have 1,000 babies there, or only 500. So, okay, here we have Velcro. I got 4 of them. Nice. So then you give free gift. Oh yeah, these are. I can stack it on my helmet. I can show you there, and I don't know. There, and I'm officially European Union Army. Yeah. So we got this covered. All these are the same. Very nice, they give me a free gift. Especially for pulsing feet in the bow. Oh yeah, and Chinese smile, yeah. You can see it. I want to see how the Chinese smile look. Yeah, you can see the eyes there. Just want to focus my camera. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. Next is for my weapon strap, my sidearm. So you just put this on your belt, this on the gun, and you have nice telephone wire on your gun. So basically it will not someone will not take your gun or something. So this is really nice and nice, robust. I can play with it, really nice. So it is really good. Oh, next we have an silencer. Wow, this is metal, really nice. Very nice. Stay back 100 meters or we will be shot. And in Hezbollah, yeah. So this can be unscrewed, and there's a dampening. Yeah, you can see how it is built. Really nice. So you can see, yes, you can put the silencer and then the expander again. So you will combine the powers in the airsoft. Yeah. Okay. Next we have really nice goggles. This is the Polish shooting goggles. I saw a video. Airsoft Club has reviewing them, and it even survived the 0.72 pellets from the metal pellets. So this is really sturdy. It was cheap, but it is really sturdy, and we will see how it will be, because I already found one Slovak country supplier for safety goggles. These also have got some UV tint to them, so you can see with 400 protection. I think maybe I have somewhere and something to test them out, but I don't know if I will be able to find it now. Or maybe not. Okay, can't find it now. Doesn't matter. Okay, so 2 of these glasses. One is for my friend. Next we have the BB loader, because the first one broke in 2 days, so I bought 2. Basically you put inside the BBs, put this on your mag and fill them out. So very nice, fast loader. Next we have the lead punch for pistol, so really good. This can be also put on your strap like this, so your belt. Safety catch for ammunition, and what else? Nothing else. I need to figure out how it is. But this is yeah, and this is second. But I want to see how it will be used. Oh yeah, maybe also your flashlight will get inside with your flashlight. We will need to see that. What also means here is nice. You can have the magazine extra there. So, but I thought they will also give me the around the leg. Yeah, maybe I have to buy that extra special. Okay. What's this? Oh yeah, this is yes. So you put this on your leg. I just want to show you. Back side like this. Yes. Yeah, like this is on your belt. and here you just put the gun mode, so like this. Yeah, and you have it on your leg. You see there, like this. So, there, and you have your weapon. This will be on your belt, so it will be holding, and you have it fast shooting. So really nice. And here we have big package. This is transportation bag for my AK, so I will not have to get it back to Shemak, but I will put it in this bag. I need to use my knife. Steady, steady. Okay. Yeah, this really big one. You can see also transportation, nice main tech. A lot of compartments, I like that. Here, two small things. Just get this out of the way. This stuff. Yeah, this will be also great for storage. There you put your weapon. Here, get it all done. Here's also for small, I think, somewhere. Yes, and here's for the smaller, the CQB version, close quarter combat. Also, you can put something here. Small compartments for BBs, I don't know, and stuff. Really nice. Cost around $15, so I think it is a really good price for this. So, what I am most excited is the helmet, maybe also this link. The helmet and the silencer. Really nice. You can see the spring there. So hope it will not jam the BBs. It should be not, so really nice. I know this is not the correct silencer for AKM, but the silencers for Kalashnikov, they are like this big compared, so, and they are weight around 1 kilo, so this will be heavy to point, and airsoft I can mount anything on my weapon, so we'll see how it will look like. Okay, thanks all for watching, hope you enjoyed. Another big video for you. 20 minutes unboxing, oh my god, really big. So soon we will go on a trip with all my stuff mounted on my head, every Velcro strap mounted, so we will see how it will look like. So thanks again and see ya. Okay, bye.